Hey guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on OseiKrom TV. And as I always say, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime we drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yeah, so today's bars we have OseiKrom Sikani escapes Gvnshot. Yeah, so musician and socialite OseiKrom Sikani, who is known for flaunting his wealth on social media, has escaped a gunshot. Yeah, so in a video posted by himself on social media, he noted that this is the second time he has escaped such an ordeal, hence sending a message to whoever is behind this attack. Okay guys, watch the video and also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below.
Ciao, man. Boy. Oh, yeah. Chucky Boxer, you watch in 7 days. Yeah,